Start your Cosmos seeds indoors, 4 to 6 weeks before the final frost. First, pre-moisten your soil. Then sow the seeds on the surface, and press them down into the soil. Space about 2.5 centimeters apart. They need light to germinate. Place in a warm location. The seeds should sprout within 5 to 10 days. Once the risk of frost has passed, move your Cosmos seedlings outdoors, and adjust them to the weather. Then transplant them into the garden. Space anywhere from 10 to 24 inches apart, depending on the variety, or closer, if you want a bushier flower bed. Cosmos does well in average soil, doesn't need watering that often, and doesn't need fertilizing. However, it does require full sunlight. Expect blooms from early summer, to the first frost. Cosmos is mostly pest-free, but it may attract aphids, or spider mites. Avoid overhead watering to prevent any fungal issues. Depending on the variety of Cosmos, expect colors ranging from white, to red, to pink, to almost black, and more. Remove dying flowers to encourage more blooms, or, you can let the flowers dry on the plant, then collect the seeds, which can be stored in a dry place, for planting next season.